Paulie police car. This is Paulie police car. What are you going to do now, Paulie?
I'm on an emergency call, and I'm in a big hurry.
I wonder what's happening. Aha! Harry Hot Rod is driving too fast.
Stop! In the name of the law!
Harry might be fast, but Paulie is faster.
You have to slow down, Harry.
I'm sorry, Paulie. I promised to drive slowly.
Paulie makes sure that everybody in the city drives safely. Have you lost something, Paulie?
No, I'm looking for Elmer the elephant. He escaped from the zoo. Look over there! Tracks!
Paulie is good at tracking escapees. He's found something.
Hello there! It's time to get you back to Zoofy.
Zoofy is happy that Elmer the elephant is back again.
Thanks, Paulie. It's nice to have a friend like you.